I think the great thing with Monford is that we all work together, everyone's willing to help each other, there's a real team spirit thing with this company, so yeah, I'm very proud to work for them.
I'd recommend working for Monford. Everyone gets along, everyone's always keen to help out, have a chat.
Yeah, there's a great work and life balance here at Monford. It's not often that you work for a company where you're still willing to hang out with the people outside of work as well as inside of work, so yeah, that's great.
In my spare time I like to surf, so when I'm not working I'm generally on the coast driving around and enjoy the flexibility that this kind of job gives me to enjoy my hobbies and passions.
As a working mum, it's a great place to work. The work-life balance is really good and there's flexible arrangements available as well.
When looking for people, we'll look for attitude, not skill. If you have the right attitude, you learn the skills over time.
I think Monford is always looking for people that are willing to learn, so everyone's always willing to help each other anyway, so as long as you're keen to learn and keen to get involved, then that's what we look for, so yeah.
What I really like about Monford is the fact that it's a large company but it's still got the small family kind of vibes. Everybody knows each other well and socialises outside of work, and they're a good crew to work with.